Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Emma App Review My Usage Experience. Emma App Review My Usage Experience appears to be a service that helps users discover and analyze mobile applications. It likely targets app developers, marketers, or even curious individuals looking for insights into app trends and performance. Key features might include competitive analysis, keyword tracking, and review sentiment analysis. Their website likely provides further details. This type of service offers the potential benefit of better understanding the app market landscape, optimizing app store presence, and gaining an edge over competitors. It's likely promoting ease of use and data-driven insights. We don't know their specific technology or pricing structure, but I would assume it's a subscription-based service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using what I imagine Emma App Review would be like. I envisioned signing up for a free trial to test its features. The initial setup was surprisingly smooth. I simply entered my email and created a password. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my existing App Store accounts, which was straightforward. Navigating the interface was quite intuitive. I easily found the search function and started exploring apps in my niche. I used the keyword tracking feature to see which keywords my competitors were ranking for, and the sentiment analysis tool gave me a quick overview of user reviews, both positive and negative. The performance was generally good. The data loaded quickly, and the reports were easy to understand with clear visuals. I did have a quick question about exporting data, and their support responded within a day via email with helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the competitive analysis reports were. The standout feature for me was definitely the sentiment analysis, which gave me valuable insights into user feedback. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for checking data on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options within the keyword research section. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the imagined experience of Emma App Review, assuming it operates as I've outlined. That's my overview of Emma App Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.